Hello there, this is your online tutor, Mr. Ilaki. So basically today we'll be looking at how we can evaluate this integration question for the 2024 GCE question 5A. Okay, so we have been given the limits as 2 and -1, where we have 6x to the power 5 minus x to the power 4 plus 3x squared minus 1 integrated with respect to x. So how do we integrate? So we are saying for us to integrate x to the power n dx, so we say x, okay, the power which we have plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c. But for in this particular case, we'll just substitute after integrating. So what are we going to do? We're going to say 6x to the power 5 plus 1 over 5 plus 1, okay, minus x to the power 4 plus 1 over 4 plus 1 plus 3x squared plus 1 over 2 plus 1. Okay, so whenever we are differentiating, when we are integrating a constant, we get x. Okay, so we get an x there when we integrate this. Okay, so we work out. Okay, we work out what we have found. Okay, so this is going to be what? This is going to be 6x squared over 6 minus so the limits should be here. We have the limits, which is -2, 2 and -1. So it's 2 and -1 as our limits. Okay, so 2 and -1 as our limits. Okay, hence we have here 6x squared over 6. Okay, then this one will have x to the power 5, okay, when this adds over 5, okay, plus 3x to the power 3 over 3 minus x. Okay, our limits are 2 and -1. So basically, after we work out this, we reduce this, going to have just x to the power 6. Okay, x to the power 6 minus 5x, 5 to the power x over 5 minus plus just 3x, 3 to the power x, then just x to the power 3 minus x, then our limits outside 2 and -1. So after we have reached this stage, it's just a matter of us now substituting, okay, our limits which we have been given in this particular question. Okay, so we are going to substitute. Okay, we're going to substitute. So I'm going to say open bracket, the bracket, we start with this one. Okay, we have 2 to the power 6 minus 2 to the power 5 over 5 plus 2 to the power 3 minus 2. Okay, then on the other side we're going to have negative x to the power 6 minus x to the power 1 to the power 5. Okay, so we're going to have negative 1 to the power 5 over 5. Okay, then we're going to have plus negative 1 to the power 3. Okay, then minus, there's no space inside, minus negative 1. Okay, sorry for that. So this should be minus negative 1. Okay, we close. So basically we will now work out what we have so far. Okay, we're going to work out this. So this is going to be equals to 2 to the power 6 is 64. Okay, 2 to the power 6 is just 64. Then make sure you use your calculator to confirm these answers. Okay, then 2 to the power 5, this is just 2 over 5. Okay, then 2 to the power 3 is just going to be 8. Okay, so this is just going to be 8 minus 2. Okay, then on the other side, minus, this is going to be negative 6, negative 1 squared, we are just going to have 1. Okay, negative 1 squared, we are just going to have 1. Okay, plus this will be multiplied. So when we square this, we have negative 1. So negative times negative, this becomes positive. So we're going to have 1 over 5. Okay, then we're going to have minus, okay, minus 1. So when we square negative 1 to the power 3, this is just going to be negative 1. Then we're going to have plus 1. Okay, plus 1. So negative times negative, this is positive. So it's going to just be plus 1. So from here, there henceforth, we're now going to work out. Okay, we work out this particular question where so far where we have reached. Okay, so we collect the right terms. Okay, so 64 Okay, 64 plus 8. Okay, minus 2 minus 52 over 5. Okay, then on the other side we also collect the like terms. So we have 1 plus 1. Okay, 1 plus 1 minus 1, then plus 1 over 5. Okay, so we work out what we have. We're going to have 64 plus this. We're going to 64 plus 8. We're going to have what? We're going to have 70. Okay, then 70 minus 2. Okay, so we're going to have 70. Okay, when we add up this minus this is going to give us 70. Okay, minus 52 over 5. Sorry for that. So hence on the other hand, we're going to have 2. Okay, going to have 2 minus 1 plus 1 over 5. Okay, so this is going to be equals to 70 minus 52 over 5. Okay, minus what's this side? So we have 1. Okay, 1 minus 1 plus 1 over 5. Okay, sorry for that. My pen seems to be a bit shaky. Okay, then we move on. Okay, we move on. So we now collect the what? We find our common denominator. Okay, for this, and this our common denominator here is just 5. So 5 into this, so there is an invisible one there. 5 into this is 5 multiplied by 70. We're going to have 350. So 350. Then 5 into 5 is 1 multiplied by 32. This is just going to be 32. Okay, then on the other side we also find common denominator, okay, which is 5. Okay, so we have an invisible one there, which is 1 into 5 is 5 multiplied by 5, which is just 5. 1 multiplied by 5 is just 5. Then 1 into 1 plus, so it's 1 plus 1. Okay, so we're going to have, when we subtract 350 minus 52, we're going to have 318 over 5. Okay, 318 over 5. So minus here, on the other side we're going to have 6 going to have 6 over 5. Okay, 6 over 5. Okay, hence this is going to be like this. So from here we work out 318 over 5 minus 6 over 5. So we just subtract this. We're going to have 312 over 5. So you divide 312 over 5, you're going to have 64. Sorry, you're going to have 62.4 as your final answer. So basically, this is how we evaluate when we're given limits, or when we first integrate, then we depress the limits which we have been given in the question. Thank you very much for watching my tutorial for today. Kindly like and follow my YouTube channel for more of such videos. This has been your online tutor, Mr. Ilaki.